Hello students, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. Okay, I know you all new to this book, so I'm handling computer application for you guys. So directly we are moving to the second volume, that is the chapter 9, Introduction to Internet and Email. Okay, so in this subject we are going to learn a language like that means the web page, or how we can develop a web page using HTML and CSS in the second volume. But the first chapter in this volume is about the internet, because for the internet only we are using the web pages, right? So for first we can see what are the learning objectives in this chapter. Here we can study about the necessity of internet in commerce, then what are the types of networks, and also what are the services available in network, then what are the applications of internet, then what are the difference between internet, intranet and extranet, and then difference between web pages and websites, then difference between static and dynamic web page, then difference between browser and search engine, and what are the do's and don'ts of safe surfing internet. Okay, so first thing is, what are the necessity of internet, that means what are the uses of internet and where we are using the internet. As you all know, internet we are using in our day-to-day life, right? Because you all are using the WhatsApps, that means easily now we all are using WhatsApp, then Facebook, everything. It's all based on what? Internet. So first, it is important to understand what a network is and the importance of network. Simply, a network is a collection of interconnected devices such as computer, printers, etc. So what is meant by network? That means it is a connection of computers or printers. If more than two or three systems are connected, or systems or devices are connected using any network, it may be wired network or it may be wireless network. So wired network means using the cable. For example, if I can say, means like take in our school we are using system computer, right? And we are connecting that computer to a printer, so it was connected using what? Wired network. So if you are typing anything, if you want to take any document printout, means first we want to type that in the computer in Word document, then we can take the printout of that document using the printer which is connected to that computer, right? So here the computer and the printer are connected using what? Using wired network. And if I'm saying about wireless network, means like mobile, that means mobile, then some systems, satellite connections, all these all comes under the wireless network. That means Wi-Fi, easily I can say about the Wi-Fi. So using Wi-Fi you can connect two devices, right? Two mobiles and or two systems, right? So that is the wireless network. So what is meant by network? It is a collection of systems, or it is a collection of systems which are connected using a network, is called internet. Okay guys, so here they are giving an simple example. For this, consider a large multinational company that sells food products in a time when network did not exist. So let we are considering one company. They are serving food products, okay, like um, we can take any Lace packet, okay, Lace packet company, okay, wow, Lace packet production company, and they are selling the selling that product during what? During the early days, that means where the networks are not exist in that times. Okay, so when they are starting the company, what will they do? They are sending some products and they want to get any informations about that product. Means let us call this company Sri Mother International Limited. Imagine the amount of information such as sales, inventory, etc. required by the management of the company to make every decisions. To get this information, they will need to call their local office. The local office will need to mail or fax printed reporters or even send media floppies through the postal service. By the time the mail is received, the data is already days old. Even if reports are faxed, it will be cumbersome task to consolidate all reports. This task also increases chance of human error since large number of reports are manually collected. This is just one part of the equation. If they want to collect any information regarding or any reports regarding the products or regarding their management, they what they will do, they may even fax or they will send they will send using postal and they will send the documents, right? So how many days it will take to receive the postal? It may take it may take even 5, it may take even 10 days, more than 10 days, right? So at that time the informations will be already exist. That means already the details the data about the informations what they are sending, it will be old, so there will be no use of that. So in the earlier days they used such method only for the connection. For the network they use only the postal methods. Okay, but if you can imagine, just now the same thing, just now we are using, there is a food product company and there they have to send any information. Means within a fraction of seconds they can receive, right? Using the internet we can send mails or we can send using WhatsApp, so they can receive the message even a fraction of seconds. Just imagine guys, while your parents days, if they want to tell any information to their relatives or we want to send any important matter to our relatives, means also we will use the postal letter, right? So when it will reach, it will take more time. But now all our relatives, all our friends, we are connecting together. That means we can send and receive the messages within a fraction of second. That is the uses of the internet. Okay guys, so this is about today's section, and next section we can see the types of network. So please you can refer the you can refer the Google, it is all Google, and study about the uses of internet and please learn that. Okay guys.